Okay guys, so I've just got in the new dual gauge Nessie set, which is the 0.6mm, and Law Lock Tools has listened to us again. You know, he's got the 0.6mm, which is obviously the majority of the fantastic picks that Law Lock Tools produces, 0.6mm high yield stainless steel, which is absolutely bulletproof. And now we've got the 0.5mm, and I'll tell you what, I don't know how they've done it, but they've managed to get the same strength from 0.5mm high yield stainless steel. This thing is phenomenal, and I've really given this thing a hard time over the last couple of days since I've had it. Yeah, it's an absolute fantastic dual gauge. Just going back to the original one, obviously the actual pick itself was designed by Tepene, the world-class pick maker from New Zealand. Tepene, my friend, you've done a fantastic job designing this. It really is. And I've gone through a few locks with this, and it really does. I mean, you sort of get that raking side and actually get the locks into full set, and then obviously just flick it over. It's just literally just flick it over, and then you've obviously got the actual this lovely sort of medium hook just to pick off those last few remaining pins. But it's also designed in such a way that you can actually use it just as a pick, and then obviously go the other way, sort of pick off a few pins and just get like a little stubborn pin or just an overset, and just turn it around and just rake that little bit and just to open the lock. So a fantastic design. Law Lock Tools and Tepene, my friends, you've done a fantastic job of this. And of course this is the 0.6 one, which is obviously the high yield 301 stainless steel. Law Lock Tools use it all their picks, which is absolutely phenomenal. But of course they've listened to us, and we need something thinner, so of course they've come out with this 0.5mm, which is 19,000, and it's just, honestly, it's still as strong. It's incredible how you can get that much strength from a slightly thinner gauge. Is phenomenal, guys. You've done a fantastic job. Of course, you've still got a fantastic design, and then obviously just going and nicking those last little pins, absolutely fantastic. And of course, listen, what we're going to do is at the end of, and I'm going to do a little demonstration of some locks, which we'll rake and get open with these fantastic picks. I use both of them, obviously the 0.6 and the 0.5mm, and see where we go from there. And of course, at the end of it, we're going to give them away. Listen, what I'll do is I'll get some locks over, and then we'll rake some locks over, and then we'll talk about the giveaway. Okay, so we've got this beautiful WB padlock. Now, as you're aware, I don't really rake locks. I mean, it's all new to me, if I'm being honest. And so if I can get these things open in double quick time, then obviously you know it's really good. Let's give it a little rake. Okay, open already. Look at that. It's at 10 seconds. Unbelievable. I mean, the thing's absolutely fantastic. Listen, what we do, we'll get another lock over and see where we go with that. Okay, so next up we've got this beautiful American body padlock, 40mm padlock, wonderful, and the bitting on the key is yeah, pretty savage on this one, so it's really going to put the Nessie to test. And of course we'll go in with top of the keyway, and this time we'll use the 19 thou, the 0.5mm Nessie. As you can see, the difference in the profile there. Just put them side by side. You can see they've got this little difference there for identification. So yeah, so you just pick it up, you know which one you've got. Yeah, back to the lock. So top of the keyway again, and then we'll just stick the Nessie in, give it a wiggle around, a bit of a rake. Okay, let's pick off some pins. So there you go, you've got a little click out of one there, click out the bottom there, just flip it over again. Oh, we're open already. Dear Lord, I mean, that was super quick. I mean, this thing really is absolutely phenomenal. Tepene and Law Lock Tools, my friends, you've done a fantastic job designing this, and manufacturing is absolutely brilliant. Same absolutely fantastic ergonomic feel for the actual design for the picks, and not a single rough mark anywhere. I mean, really is amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, listen guys, as I said right at the beginning, obviously I'll be giving both these away as they come in a set if you go to lawlocktools.co.uk, and I'll leave a link actually in the description directly to their website. So all you've got to do to be in with a chance to win this particular set, which is the 0.5mm, as you can see by the difference there, and obviously the 0.6mm, which is the original one. This set you can win just by leaving a comment in this video, and obviously be a subscriber, and then 1 week from today I will draw a random winner and I will send this anywhere in the world free of charge, as long as it's legal to have lockpicks in your country. Then I'll send the lucky winner this this set in 1 week's time. Listen guys, good luck everybody, and don't forget to check out lawlocktools.co.uk.